Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Alvin.
I'm Joel, and today we're gonna talk about the general shop safety. Alvin, can you start us off here?
I will. Shop clothing should not be loose, baggy, or flammable.
Always wear safety glasses at all times, you know, just for safety reasons. Feel me?
Okay.
There, I
You know?
cut that out.
I'm not cutting that out.
Okay, make sure to wear headpieces when you're
I feel you,
using
I feel you.
a lot of equipment to, help with the noise.
Always wear personal protective equipment for specific jobs, you feel me? Like a painter needs an apron, someone in wood shop needs long clothing, feel me?
Do not interfere with other people's workshops and their lab spaces, Stay assigned to your own stuff. And
Don't never ever hurry or rush, as it'll only make a mess and you can hurt yourself. It's not safe.
Make sure to talk in a low voice when you're in the laboratory, because if you're talking in a loud voice, it can cause jitters.
As well as always notify the instructor, like Mr. Bissonnette, if there's a case of emergency, or accident or fire.
If any machines or tools are messed up, please notify your teacher.
Like a crack or anything, feel me? If something's broken, you break it, tell Mr. B.
Avoid horseplay or other hazardous scuffing and pushing while working in the mechanics laboratory.
Hey, none of that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
My bad.
Next, clean your workstations at all costs after you're done working with your materials.
Finally, remove loose jewelry and secure long hair when working in the mechanics laboratory.
Never leave the laboratory without Mr. B's permission or knowledge.
Okay, that's very good. That's a key thing.
Number 13, you feel me? Be alert, Alvin.
Yeah, I'm always alert. Be alert when you're in the laboratory, because things can happen. And you need to be aware to tell your instructor.
Be like Alvin, always be alert. Never use power equipment or tools that have not been demonstrated by Mr. B.
In this room, we don't have a color coding system, but we do have set areas, like you can see the caution.
Okay, caution yellow over there. There's an eye wash station and first aid kit over there. Can you show them? Can you show them?
Just show them,
Alright guys, over here, there's no food or drink in this area. Take it away, Dylan.
Over here, as you can see, there is the fire extinguisher in case of a fire. Also, there is the emergency power shut off. You gotta push to stop. Going.
This is the miter saw, and I'll be showing you how to cut it. You just get into it.
Press on the trigger.
What are you doing?
You're trying to make a safety video and you don't even know how to do safety. Oh no!
I'm not.
What are you doing?
I'm not doing it.
Did you take her?
Go.
Alright guys, use this machine. First make sure there's a plug. Then you set your rotor adjustly to whatever angle you like. And then you hold the trigger, press slowly. Make sure you be careful, roll up the sleeves, never forget. Then you just hold it.
You like that? Just like that yellow piece of wood. Something like.
Stop. This is wood shop. Don't cut people. Hey, where are your goggles?
Oh, sorry.
You both need goggles.
I don't have any.
This is the proper way to.
Back to the...
Make sure to always have your safety goggles on in the laboratory, and make sure to be safe.
Yeah.
Lastly, drill number 18.
Never attempt to work with tools or equipment in the laboratory under the influence of drugs and alcohol. Never be doing this stuff in the laboratory. Unhealthy.
And with that being said, I'd like to thank you for tuning into our podcast this week, and we'll see you next week.
He's under the influence.
Under the influence. Hey, he's under the influence. Let's stop him. Are you under the influence?
No.
You're lying.
Me.